Make sure to carefully follow the instructions on the product package. Check the label to see if you should swallow the dose whole, chew it, sprinkle it onto food, or mix it with liquid. If you're using the liquid form, be sure to measure the dose using a special measuring device/spoon, not a household spoon. If you have any questions, consult your doctor or pharmacist. Some probiotic products contain live bacteria, like bifidobacteria, which may be affected by antibiotics. If you're taking antibiotics, make sure to take any product containing live bacteria at least 2 to 3 hours before or after taking antibiotics, as directed for your specific product. If you're using this product to treat diarrhea caused by antibiotics, do not use it if you have a high fever or for more than 2 days, unless directed by your doctor. If your condition persists or worsens, or if you suspect a serious medical issue, seek medical help immediately. If you experience an increase in stomach gas or bloating, it's important to notify your doctor or pharmacist if this effect lasts or gets worse. Additionally, be sure to tell your doctor right away if you experience any serious side effects, such as signs of infection like a persistent cough, high fever, or chills. While a very serious allergic reaction to this product is rare, seek medical help immediately if you notice any symptoms of a serious allergic reaction, including rash, itching/swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. It's important to note that this is not a complete list of possible side effects, so if you experience any other effects, be sure to contact your doctor or pharmacist. And remember, if you're in the US, you can report side effects to the FDA at 1-800-FDA-1088 or at www.fda.gov/medwatch. In Canada, you can report side effects to Health Canada at 1-866-234-2345. Before starting to use Ultimate Flora Probiotic, it's important to talk to your doctor or pharmacist if you have any allergies or if you have certain health conditions. If you have a weakened immune system, recurring vaginal or urinary tract infections, or if you experience diarrhea for more than 2 days, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before taking this product. Some forms of Ultimate Flora Probiotic may contain sugar and/or aspartame, so if you have diabetes or phenylketonuria, PKU, it's important to be cautious and discuss with your doctor or pharmacist before using this product. It's also important to inform your doctor or dentist about all the products you use, including prescription drugs, non-prescription drugs, and herbal products, before having surgery. If you are pregnant, it's important to use this product only when clearly needed and discuss the risks and benefits with your doctor. Additionally, if you are breastfeeding, consult your doctor before using Ultimate Flora Probiotic. It's important to note that Ultimate Flora Probiotic may interact with certain medications, potentially changing how they work or increasing the risk for serious side effects. This is not an exhaustive list, so it's crucial to keep a record of all the products you use and share it with your healthcare provider. Some medications that may interact with certain probiotics include antibiotics, antifungals such as clotrimazole, ketoconazole, griseofulvin, and nystatin. As always, it's essential to consult with your doctor before starting, stopping, or changing the dosage of any medications. When taking Ultimate Flora Probiotic, the recommended daily dosage and optimal timing can vary depending on individual needs and health conditions, so be sure to follow your healthcare provider's guidance for the best results. If someone has taken too much Ultimate Flora Probiotic and is experiencing severe symptoms such as fainting or difficulty breathing, it is important to seek immediate medical attention. In the US, you can call your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222. In Canada, residents can call a provincial poison control center. Make sure to keep all of your medical and lab appointments to ensure that you are taking the Ultimate Flora Probiotic properly. Some brands may also contain other ingredients, such as fiber or inulin. If you have any questions about the ingredients in the brand you are using, be sure to ask your doctor or pharmacist for clarification. If you happen to forget a dose of Ultimate Flora Probiotic, take it as soon as you remember. However, if it's already close to the time for your next dose, it's best to just skip the missed dose and continue with your regular dosing schedule. Avoid taking a double dose to make up for the missed one. It's important to maintain a consistent intake of the probiotic for optimal results. Ultimate Flora Probiotic can be taken at any time of the day, with or without food. Just be sure to take it daily for best results. When it comes to storing Ultimate Flora probiotic, it's important to follow the instructions on the product package. Some may need to be refrigerated, while others may not. If you're unsure, ask your pharmacist for guidance. And always remember to keep all medications out of reach of children and pets. When it comes to disposing of Ultimate Flora probiotic, make sure to properly discard the product when it's expired or no longer needed. Do not flush it down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless instructed to do so. It's best to consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for proper disposal methods. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.